Welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, we broke it down as far as we could the other day before we got tired. Let's see if I can turn it. Nope. So we're going to keep on working on this thing, break it on down. Hopefully we can get this thing all apart so we can get this block to the machine shop.
Yeah, and we got some.
Oh yeah.
What do we put on it?
We put some brake fluid in it
to eat some of the corrosion.
And it did.
And it looks pretty good now.
Yeah.
So it's gonna make it easier for the pistons to come out.
Yeah, I mean, who would have thought that that brake fluid would have done that? Not me.
So we're gonna get to work.
We're gonna get to work, guys. So stay tuned. If you can't get them out, you stab them.
Use some force.
Yeah. Wow.
Bust it right through it.
Somebody want to see through a piston?
And there was so much oil.
I know. Isn't that crazy?
I guess because the oil filter was there. You think that's why? Because it's close to the oil filter?
Yeah, probably. Where's that part? That top part?
It is in there.
In this one?
Yep.
Which one?
I marked it. It's 7. Going to the right.
This one?
Look and see if it's 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's 7.
7.
Make sure you line up the grooves. Is that correct?
Yep. I think. That might have been the one that had it froze up.
I mean, especially if you hit the bust of the piston. I wonder if it'll turn over now.
I don't know. We'll try it here in a second. That's just crazy, man. David just thinks I'm just rough.
I mean, you are kind of rough on stuff, but it's the only way it started moving is once you busted through it and let that oil come out.
I know. Is that not crazy?
It started moving once the oil came out.
So that oil had it seized.
Because look at that one. That one's bone dry over there. And that one's covered in oil.
So who would have ever thought?
So we're going to take out this other one and these other ones and see if it'll turn.
I don't think so. Oh,
nope.
Gosh, no.
The mystery continues.
There's probably another one just like it.
I think it's this one right here.
Really?
Remember, we had trouble with it. We couldn't get it out, so.
Wow. This is like an experience. All right, guys. Well, one of our buddies on Facebook, Jackie, hooked us up. He said
to take these off right here.
Take these
and
don't get it mixed up.
Yeah.
So
to get the.
You know me and my memory.
Trust me, I'm going to have it organized. But we're taking these off, so hopefully we'll be able to.
That works for us. Jackie, I know he knows what he's talking about.
He's a smart man.
And David's on his way over here.
Yep.
Gosh, we need all the help we can get.
Hey, we take it too.
Yeah, we take it because we don't claim to be
know-it-alls
or mechanics.
Yeah,
we're just
here
learning.
to learn.
We're learning right here with you. Yeah, or Jens probably know, but we're learning. So and thanks to all of our fans that
reach out.
Well, fans or friends
or whoever.
Whoever it is.
It's basically the same thing.
Yeah.
It's our fans or our friends.
Yeah. So thanks for helping us out because we need it.
Yeah. So we're going to get these off and catch back up with you.
All right, guys. We're taking this first one off. Like that. We'll go ahead and turn it right
Yeah,
way.
let me go sit it in here so it don't lose the organization.
Or the way it faces.
Yep.
Because Hunter's keeping us on task.
Oh, I dropped it.
I'm trying to turn it for you.
This is kind of nerve-wracking. You don't want to mix them up.
This one's hard to get to.
Yeah. The back one's easy to tell.
Yeah.
It's the only one that looks like that.
Only thing, it's just really stuck good. And I just want to barely tap on it, you know?
Yeah, I just don't want to mess it up. Oh, it should come off now.
All right, look at that.
And there we have it, all in order.
That's awesome. Good job, Hunter.
Thank you.
Okay, now
Look at
we
that.
can take this one off. This is 2. So we're just going to set this into, let's set this to the side, not really in it yet.
Watch your hand in case it gets dirty. I sprayed a lot of WD-40 in there. Everything look good?
Yeah, so far.
All right, which one was that one? 3?
3.
I don't have to have somebody look.
There we go.
Let's
Go.
Hang on, gotta be careful right here.
Oh, sorry. Hey, it's turning.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Let's look at that thing real quick. How's it look?
It looks good. Looks like it. Nothing's wrong with it. It needs to be cleaned up.
Perfect. How do you pull it out? How do you pull it out?
Be easy with it.
Do you have to spin it?
Because I'm gonna teach you to do it right. No, teach you to do it right.
Turn it.
No, look. You gotta pick it up. And be careful with it. Because these things here hit your cam bearings. You're gonna replace these, but I'm teaching you now.
The cam bearings?
Yeah, because these hit it and scratch them. So just twist it, pull it to you.
I'm just being easy.
Mm-hmm. You ain't gonna be easy on this one, but I was just teaching you something.
There's your gloves.
Let me put them on. They're full of WD-40. What are we not going to be easy? How do you take those bearings out?
You gotta have a tool or the machine shop does it.
We'll have the machine shop do it.
Yeah, I got a tool, but I don't know where it's at.
Oh.
That sounds about right. Don't know our tool that, David.
And you're working with a shaft like that, you know.
Hey.
There she is. Don't drop it, it'll break.
Don't drop it, he said.
I'm gonna leave that on.
Are we going to compare it to the other one or no?
Yeah. It's right in here, Davey. It's got a jacket around it.
Oh, is that what you want to do?
Yeah, I just want to see the difference.
Let's put them side by side for the viewers. It's in that little jacket. Wrapped up in it.
It looks a lot cleaner.
Oh, yeah, that's a lot bigger. Or is it?
There's not
The numbers.
The size difference is you can't tell.
But you can, because look at the difference.
Yeah.
There's a difference of what?
This size to that size.
Yeah.
These two are the same. That's your main bearings.
What? Wide?
Yeah, this is your bearings. These are your lifters.
So
This is what moves your lifters.
so it is better?
Well, you can see that.
Well, this is a 390.
What is that?
This right here is a 410.
Huh?
This is a 390 lift. This is a 410 lift.
Well, it looks good.
Oh yeah.
Ready to get this on there?
So who wants this?
If you want it, comment down below.
What'd I do with this? Just put it.
Time to flip it over.
Time to.
You need help over there?
Nope. Is that thing still a little heavy?
Oh yeah.
So I can't pick it up, carry it to the machine shop?
I picked them up and carried them, but it's not good on your back.
All right.
Let me take those pieces out.
How do you do it? 7/16?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, we got it totally broke down. You want to go to a machine shop? So come over here and get a look at this. Give a big shout out to David for coming over here and helping us out. So we did. I'm telling you, he's a lifesaver. Jackie, thank you for your recommendation. David said that you don't know everything, but you do know some things. I'm joking. But guys, if you like the video, like, subscribe, hit that notification button, guys, and join along while we rebuild this thing.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. See ya.